We're here with Yoni Avital of ControlUp at VMworld 2016. Yoni, can you tell us some things about your company?
Sure, thanks David. So ControlUp is all about helping enterprise customers troubleshoot complex issues and also help them remediate them in real time. So we offer a software that provides a single pane of glass for your virtualization host, your VMs, user sessions if it's a VDI environment, and apps. So everything is laid out in a nice intuitive UI, and you can basically see issues happening in the data center, drill them all the way to the culprits, if it's an agent or an app or anything happening inside the guest OS VM, and fix it from the same product. So basically, faster remediation, easy troubleshooting for any virtualized environment, VMware, Citrix, Microsoft, and obviously the new cloud-based solutions like AWS and Azure.
What are the products that you offer, and how do you add value to your customers?
Okay, so we have two major products. One would be our ControlUp real-time console, which shows what's going on right now. It's used for real-time analysis and troubleshooting, and also for mediation. And the second product is ControlUp Insights, which gives you an analytics and historical reporting view. You can go back all the way up to 1 year of data and see trends, see analytics, and also something unique we're doing with Insights. We also provide comparative analytics. So you can actually compare your own KPIs against the community benchmarks for app footprints, for user issues, and even for stuff like the VM count on your hosts. So all of this is available in the Insights platform.
What would you say is your unique selling proposition?
So actually we have a few. I would name like 2 or 3 unique differentiators. So one is the real-time visibility. Okay, a lot of products out there provide all kinds of monitoring features, but we are showing what's going on right now, up to the second, and you can see it in real time. Secondly, we have the comparative analytics engine, which gives you a very good overview of how your organization behaves comparing to similar organizations out there in the industry, which gives you great insights into where you need to improve your IT environment. And finally, and this is part of our unique architecture, because our backend is actually hosted, then deployment times are really, really fast. It's like 0 deployments. And these are some of the unique, offering we have in ControlUp.
What's the biggest reason why customers choose ControlUp?
So, just like I mentioned a few seconds ago, they can evaluate ControlUp after like minutes because of the unique architecture. So the first thing they're seeing is the real-time module and the great value where they spot issues and can mediate them in like minutes. So probably the topmost reason is the fact that they can spot issues and remediate them from the same single pane of glass UI.
What strategy do you use to get new customers?
So we're heavily invested in direct sales. We have a strong web presence. We're doing content, blogs. We're out there in community sessions, VMworld, Synergy, Microsoft Ignite, all kinds of user groups. We're communicating directly with the sysadmins, which are basically our customers. They can read about us in all kinds of websites and expert community knowledge base. And then they simply download the product and start a POC. We also have a channel-based network. So we're working with some of the top VMware, Citrix, and Microsoft partners, so they can engage ControlUp via their favorite solution provider. These are the main paths to the customers, basically.
Can you talk about any new features or product updates that are coming out soon?
Sure, yeah. So 2 interesting things I think I should mention. First, regarding the real-time module, the next major release is ControlUp V7. And the main new feature we're going to add there is the ability to integrate ControlUp with AWS and Azure. So you can actually connect ControlUp to your AWS subscription or your Azure subscription and get the full data regarding your VMs from their APIs, in addition to what we currently get from the inside guest agent. So that's coming in the beginning of 2017 with the real-time module. Regarding Insights, what we're about to release in the next month is the first full-blown comparative analytics report. We're going to show the customers how their major apps behave from a CPU, RAM, and I/O footprint, and now this compares against the community benchmark. So this is going to be pretty cool, and hopefully it will be out there in like a month or 2 from now.
Oh, okay, so maybe we'll see you in Atlanta.
Yeah,
Yoni
for sure.
Avital from ControlUp. Thanks,
David,
very much.
for sure.
That was very good.
Thanks.
Very good.
Sure.
Excellent.
No problems.
Very good.
So, that's fine.